Hello superstars, welcome back to our learning adventure. Today we're going to practice something very important for reading. We're going to learn how to blend sounds together to make words. Are you ready to become amazing readers? Let's begin. Before we start, let's learn what blending means. When we blend sounds, we push the sounds together to make a word. Let's try it together. If I say k, a, t and push the sounds together, we get cat. That's blending. Let's practice some more words together. Remember, listen carefully, say the sounds, blend them together, and then read the word. Let's go. Look at this word. C-A-T. Let's say each sound slowly. C says k, A says a, T says t. Let's say the sounds together. K, a, t. Now blend them together. Cat. Can you say cat? Excellent. You blended the sounds perfectly. Let's try another word. Look at this word. D-O-G. Let's say the sounds. D says d. O says o. G says g. Ready? D, o, g. Blend them together. Dog. Can you say dog? Fantastic. You're doing great. Let's look at this word. S-U-N. Let's say the sounds. S says s. U says N says n. Now blend them together. Ready? N. Sun. Your turn. Well done. Awesome blending. Look at this word. H-A-T. Let's say each sound. H says h. A says a. T says t. Let's blend. H, a, t. Hat. Can you say hat? Great job! You're becoming a fantastic reader. Look at this word. P-I-G. Let's say the sounds. P says p. I says e. G says g. Ready? P-I-G. Pig. Your turn. Awesome! Fantastic blending. Now, let's read our words together. Are you ready? Cat. Dog. Son. Hat. Pig. Wow, you're doing amazing. Give yourselves a big clap. Now, let's see if you can blend some words by yourself. Don't worry, I'll help you. Ready? Word number 1, a, p. Can you blend the sounds? Your turn. The word is map. Did you get it? Great work. That's amazing. Let's try another one. Listen carefully. P, e, n. Can you blend the sounds? Your turn. The word is pen. Fantastic work. You blended all the sounds by yourself. Let's do one more challenge. Listen carefully. B, s. Can you blend the sounds? The word is bus. Awesome! Let's play a quick game before we finish. I'll say a word. You tell me the first sound. Ready? Word number 1, cat. What's the first sound? That's right, k. Great job. How about dog? What's the first sound? Correct, d. Fantastic. Now, look around you. Can you find something nearby and say the sounds in its name? Maybe a pen, a book, a cup? Try blending the sounds together. Wonderful thinking. Fantastic blending today, superstars. You listened carefully, you blended sounds, and you read lots of words. I'm so proud of you. Keep practicing your blending every day. The more you practice, the stronger your reading becomes. Thank you for learning with me today. See you next time for another fun learning adventure. Bye bye, friends.